ever noticed how many different cooking oils are in the grocery store? Let me tell you, if you thought vegetable oil was your only option, then you need to think again. So many oils, so many options, and each has its own distinct flavor and cooking use. Here are a few healthy oils to try in your diet. Sesame oil has a strong toasted taste that adds a delicious zing to Asian stir-fried dishes. It's loaded with antioxidants and has shown to lower blood sugar. Other healthy oils to try are avocado, almond, and sunflower. Typically, you don't want to bake with these, but they're great for homemade salad dressings or as a glaze for veggie dishes, chicken, or fish. Did you know that canola oil actually comes from rapeseed? This light, neutral flavor oil can be used for cooking or vinaigrette dressing, making it a great all-purpose oil. And it's high in omega-3s. Just remember, fats have more calories than protein and carbohydrates, so it's important to limit your daily intake. It's time to make healthy food a factor in your life.